Good evening, everybody. Hi, everyone. My name is Tanu Bhojwani, and I am the Island Counselor at Advice International. So today I'll be talking about the study prospects into Ireland and why Ireland can be your preferred study destination. Ireland, also called as Republic of Ireland, was free in 1922 and was officially declared republic in 1949. So Ireland was ranked 4th in the world into UN for the quality of life. Ireland's currency is euro, and when we talk about the timings, it's 4 hours and 30 minutes behind from India. The English is the main spoken language. Irish is the recognized language into Ireland. Dublin being the capital city of Ireland, the city is ranked globally into top 20 for the living standard. So Ireland is one of the growing economy into the Eurozone, and it's popular as being the tech hub into the whole European state. Ireland is ranked 4th for agri-tech into the whole world, and the unemployment rate is also lower than 5%, which was recorded in February 2020. When we talk about the Ireland education system is ranked top 10 in the whole world, and the education system is basically divided into 3 categories. The universities, which there are total 8 universities into Ireland, 11 IOTs, which is Institute of Technology, and colleges, which are private and public both. When we talk about the most popular courses into Ireland, Ireland is famous for mostly computer science courses, pharmacy courses, and management courses, and also psychology as well. When we talk about the courses available into Ireland, Ireland has all types of courses available, that is starting from short-term courses to postgrad and PhD level of courses. All these courses are divided into certain levels. Starting from level 7 being the ordinary bachelor's degree, level 8 being the honors degree, level 9 being the master's degree, and level 10 being the PhD. So according to that, students can also avail the post-study work permit, and it's divided into the levels. So if the student completes level 8 and level 7, the students will be eligible for the 1 year of stay back, wherein the student, if he completes the level 9 and level 10 degree courses, he would be eligible for the 2 years of stay back. Ireland offer numerous courses into Masters of Research as well, because Ireland works more onto the research, and this is the reason that the universities are one of the best places for research courses for the students to study in, and Ireland also provide numerous fundings for those kind of courses. So duration of the courses, when we talk about the bachelor courses, it ranges from 3 years to 4 years. It can be 3 years, it can be 4 years, both, and starting from the many of the undergraduate courses can also offer you a placement year as well. When we talk about the master's courses are generally 1 year of courses, and Masters of Research courses are also available for the students. For that, they need the supervisor approval for applying, and the Masters by Research courses can range till 2 years as well. Starting, they also provide the PhD options, and the funding is also available for those kind of courses. When we talk about the fee structure of these universities, so Ireland studying for 1 year can cost you starting from 12 lakhs, can range up to 20 lakhs as well for the master's courses. depending on the university that you are applying into. As the most popular destinations into study into Ireland would be Dublin, Cork, Galway, Limerick. Again, depending on the course that you are applying into. Ireland is also famous for their biotechnology courses, and Ireland, the most popular graduates that have passed out from Ireland universities include George Bernard Shaw, the Nobel Prize winner, and Cornel Ferrell, the world's sports recognized person. Ireland universities do provide generous scholarship to the students. It starts from basically 10% of the scholarships and can go up till 50% of the scholarship, partial scholarship that are provided by the university itself. And apart from that, there are also Government of Ireland scholarship that the students can avail, and those are fully funded scholarship provided by the Ministry of Ireland. And yes, few advised students were fortunate enough to receive this prestigious Government of Ireland scholarships as well. So when we talk about Ireland, Ireland is the second largest software companies are there, and all of the pharmaceutical companies are situated in Ireland, having their European headquarters into Ireland. And Ireland is ranked 4th in the world for and the international workforce that are being placed into Ireland. So yes, among when you talk about the international workforce, almost 380,000 people are working into Ireland and are part of the international workforce. When we talk about the minimum wages into Ireland was also updated this year, and it has now completely become on the basis of age. So students or any person which is above 20 years of age, the minimum wage rate for that person would be around 10.10 euros per hour, which is again one of the highest rate into any other country when compared to the whole European Union. Ireland is also home to many big leading manufacturing companies and also international banking companies. So Amazon, Facebook, FedEx have their European offices situated into Ireland. And Ireland is also known for various famous research works. This is why Ireland is also famous, having research centers, famous research centers around the world. Ireland is a center of international banking excellence, and also major clearing banks all have their main offices into Dublin, and they are also growing their offices into Dublin now. So Ireland is also becoming a hub for financial services. The headquarters of largest tech companies, software companies, pharmaceutical companies are there into Ireland. And apart from the world of commerce, when we talk about, Ireland is also home for some creative writers and independent thinkers for centuries. Ireland also rank highly into very specific fields like immunology, agriculture, nanotechnology and material sciences. So Ireland ranked first for immunology in the world, fifth for material sciences, third for nanotechnology into the whole world. When we talk about the culture of Ireland, Ireland people are very friendly, and the sense of creativity and the problem solving has made Ireland stand out into the global stage. When we talk about the general idea of employment into the Ireland companies, just to give you a glimpse on the employment opportunities and what will be the situation. So I can tell you that 9 out of 10 US technology companies are based into Ireland, having their European offices into Ireland, and all of the 10 pharmaceutical companies are based in Ireland. The top 5 global software companies are situated into Ireland, and 14 of the 15 medical technology companies are also there into Ireland. So 8 out of 10 industrial automation companies process through Ireland, and 9 out of 10 financial services companies are also based in Ireland. So you can imagine the kind of employability that these companies have